Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the battery, both service covers, hard disk drive, keyboard, optical drive, and top cover. Removal: temporarily disconnect the display panel cable from the system board and lift the display panel cable out of the routing channel in the base enclosure. Disconnect the left speaker cable from the system board. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the left speaker to the base enclosure. Lift the left speaker out. Remove the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right speaker to the base enclosure. Lift the right speaker out of the base enclosure. Replacement. Caution: use care not to dislodge the rubber isolators around each screw in the speakers. Tow the right speaker in and over the screw holes and alignment guides. Replace the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws to secure the right speaker to the base enclosure. Tow the left speaker in and over the screw holes and alignment guides. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw to secure the left speaker to the base enclosure. Connect the left speaker cable to the system board. Reroute the display panel cable into the routing channel around the left speaker in the base enclosure. Connect the display panel cable to the system board.